Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to wherever you're watching from. Welcome to today's video where I'm going to take you guys shopping with me. We're gonna go, of course, to Lululemon to see what they have, and then I also want to get my hands on their new like holiday shopping bag. But I was literally about to leave my house and I got a package from Rose Forever, so I do want to open that up. First and foremost, I do have a $30 off coupon code for you guys. It is Alvarez 30. That gets you $30 off your bouquet. I will have everything linked in the description as well. If you're in the States, Thanksgiving has not passed yet, but here in Canada it has, but the holidays are also coming up, so this will make a perfect gift. Rose Forever is a New York-based brand that launched in 2019, and they have luxury rose boxes, flower boxes that last a year. They have beautiful, beautiful preserved roses. I do have their flowers around my house. I've even gifted one to my grandma and she absolutely loved them. These are real roses. They're not fake. Each of their boxes are made out of vegan material, and the roses, like I said, are preserved. So they are natural roses. They're preserved and they last for a year, and they are so pretty and smell so good. Trust me. How pretty. This is the pink suede box. Like I said, even the suede boxes are vegan. It has their logo, which is so nice and subtle. The suede material just feels so luxurious. I love it. It is so cute. I've actually never gotten one of their pink suede boxes before. I've gotten the black one, which they have so many different styles and combinations that you can do. Here are the roses. How beautiful. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. These make the perfect gift, not only because they're beautiful, as you can see. They have so many different combinations to choose from, different color of the roses, and then different options for boxes and material as well. Like if you don't want a suede box, they have other boxes to choose from. Choose whichever combination you want, what matches your interior or what matches the person that you want to gift it to, but trust me, they're not going to disappoint. They smell so good. I can't stop smelling them. Thank you to Rose Forever New York. Shout out to them. I'm always so excited and happy to receive a beautiful bouquet from them. And now we're gonna head over to the mall. So let's get in the car and let's go to the mall. Made it to Lululemon. Completely forgot about the music here, so I can't talk too much, but this is what I picked out from the markdown rack. These are a size too small, but saw online that they had a size 2. Someone probably snatched it before I came, but I've been wanting to try the Align mini flares, so try this one. This one I actually have, but not in the black rib, so I'm gonna try that one on. This one is intriguing to me. Don't know if I'm gonna love it or hate it, but it's a very nice fleece material. And then I've also wanted to try this, so we're gonna try on these 4 and see what we think. Hopefully we find something we love so we can get a holiday shopper. Okay, wearing the top as you can see, and then the bottoms. Yeah, these bottoms look like regular leggings on me. Loving the one shoulder, but not sure if I would actually wear it to the gym. I don't know how supportive it actually would be. There's like no flare to them, so probably gonna leave them. Next up, this, I feel like I have it, so I'm not gonna get it, but it is cute. It's also a size too big. I would need a 2. This is a 4. Back in the car, we got the goods. I actually only got 2 things, but I did ask for a big bag. They have their holiday bags. This is one of them. They have 3 different ones, a white one, the red one, and green one. I really want the green one, but they were out at the moment, so I got a white one, which I'm so excited. I also did receive a notification that a package is at the house for me, which is also Lululemon, so I'm gonna include that. I went to Winners, looked around, honestly didn't buy anything. I was gonna get food at the food court as well, but oh my gosh, it is so packed in there, and it is only 4:30 in the afternoon, and the parking lot is packed. Like even I had to park pretty far from the door. I always forget too that I want to film and talk while I'm in stores, but stores have their music so loud and I can't talk too long or I do get copyrighted. It always slips my mind. So let me know if you like those voiceovers, because I do like doing shop with me's, but at that point too, it's like I just do voiceovers. I get home and do voiceover because you can either not hear me, or if I talk for too long, it gets copyrighted on YouTube, which sucks. But I did get some goodies, so I'm excited for that. Now I'm gonna head home. I'm actually gonna go to McDonald's because, like I said, it's 4:30. Usually around 5 o'clock is when rush hour starts, and it's already getting dark. I don't know if you can see, but the sun is already starting to set. It's only 4:30, which is crazy. But yeah, gonna head to McDonald's and hopefully be home by 5 o'clock and beat the rush hour, which hopefully I think I should be able to do it. I'm not too far from the house, but we'll see how traffic is. So yeah, gonna head home. We're gonna do some unboxing, show you what I got, all of that fun stuff. So let's go to McDonald's and then home. Back from the mall, as you can see, and like I told you guys, I did have a Lululemon package waiting for me. I wanted this to come before I went to the mall, but whatever, it was here by the time I came back. And then I'm also going to show you what I ended up picking up from the mall, which I actually didn't even show you this because I saw it on my way out and I really wanted a bag, and I wasn't sure if they would give me a bag without purchasing anything. So your girl made a tiny little purchase, and I just asked them to give me the bigger bag instead of the teeny tiny bag that they had. But again, it's so cute. So first, I think we're going to open this one. Actually, it's something that I already have. I have multiples of these ones. Wear them to waitress in, and I feel like the other ones are just a little too old now, which I might actually grab them to compare. But first up, we have the Blissfeel 2 running shoe, which I think I have 3 pairs of these. This is gonna be my 4th pair. I actually like the Blissfeel shoes. Let me know your opinion on them, if you've tried them or not, but I personally like them. I do like the Blissfeel 2s more than the Blissfeel 1. They just made slight changes, like material wise, and then also even the logo, they made it smaller than it was on the first ones, and I like those. But I actually haven't seen the black and white ones yet. I have the fully white ones in the Blissfeel 2, and then I have the other colors in the first one, but I just decided to do a swap, which this is so nice. I love it. I really like these. Like I said, they're very nice in my opinion. This is what I was talking about. They made it smaller. It was a little bit bigger before, which I'm actually gonna grab that pair so I can compare it for you guys. I have my old pair here, which looking at them, they look so dirty. I don't even know if I want to show you guys these, but keep in mind I did wear them when I waitress. I've had them for like a year and a half, maybe even 2 years now. But these are the first ones. These are the new ones. Look at the bottom, and then the logo. This one is also a little bit taller at the back now that I'm looking at it, but very small, subtle little changes. Even the front of the shoe, look at the difference. It's a different material as well. These holes are a lot bigger, whereas these ones are not as big. I just personally enjoy the Blissfeel 2s more than the Blissfeel 1s, so I will be donating the 1s and then swapping them out for the 2s. I believe they're around $170, but in my opinion, they're very worth it. And then what I got in the store, like I said, I just wanted the bag because they're so pretty. I ended up getting a bra. I have a love-hate with the Align tank collection. I've tried them. They look so good on others, but for me, it's just, I don't know what it is, but I don't like them. I don't think they look good on me, so I stay away from them. I've tried every single variation that they've had, the high neck one, the regular one, the waist version. I have tried them all, and none of them suit me. But I saw this and I was like, let me try, because I do like the Align bras. Those ones I like. It's the tanks that I don't. This one kind of reminds me of a little in between of the tank and the bra, and then I saw the back of it and I was like, let me just pick it up. This is the Lululemon Align high neck bra CD. I believe around $68. It was not on markdown, and it actually does not say the price either, but this is it. Back has a very nice scoop back, which I loved, and then the front is high neck, which again, I do love high neck things. I don't like wearing things to the gym that are very low cut. Not that I've gone to the gym in a while. I need to go back. Can't go wrong with a nice black simple staple, hopefully. I like it. Like I said, I didn't try it on. I like that it's also a little bit longer, so it's in between that kind of like tank and sports bra, which personally I do like the longer line kind of sports bras. And last, I saw this. They were actually marking it on a markdown when I was in the store. This one doesn't have a markdown sticker because they weren't done like tagging it. I just took it and it was on markdown for a couple dollars. This is the extra large claw hair clip. Originally $26, but like I said, it was on markdown, so I did not pay $26 for this. I was intrigued just to try one of the extra large clips because it does look big, but it also does not look big enough in my opinion. But I love wearing clips like this to just put all my hair tied up in a bun. I don't mind the color. I think it's fun just having all this like multicolor. I do have a lot of regular clips. I'm just gonna do it super quick, and I just like tie my hair. It does fit all my hair. I mean, if it was a little bigger, it would have been perfect. Probably won't buy any more of them, but I will give it a pass. I think it's good. So that is what I bought. Before I end this video, I want to give you guys an update on the Starbucks cup. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, this is the Starbucks cup that I'm talking about. They are a little bit backed up with shipping orders. So this is actually the longest I've had to wait for a Starbucks cup. Don't worry, it's still on the way. By what it seems like in tracking, it's made its way to Canada, so it just has to clear customs and then it's on its way to me. So I think by the end of next week, I will 100% have the cups. I'm just waiting for them. I have not forgotten about them. So this is good for you guys also. If you haven't seen that video for the giveaway, I will have it linked down in the description. So there's still time to enter. If you haven't entered, go back to the video, follow the rules, and see the previous videos that I've posted and then enter it that way as well. But don't worry, I have not forgotten. I will keep my eyes out, and as soon as that package comes to my door, I will film and I will pick one of you guys to win the cup and ship it out to you. Thank you guys for your patience, but I did want to give you that update. There is still time to enter if you have not already, but also once that giveaway ends, I will have a Lululemon giveaway for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to check out Rose Forever for $30 off of your bouquet with my code Alvarez30. And then in Lululemon, I will have the links in the description. And oh my gosh, the next Lululemon haul is going to be massive. I placed a massive order on Lululemon. Like, it's huge. I think this is the biggest order I've ever placed. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!